Hi, it's Macaulay from SmartPipe Plumbing Services based in Leeds. I've been sent out the Monument Masters Sweatbox. First initial opinions is looks really good. It's a bit on the large side, but it could be everything you want in a soldering box. So a quick run through, we've got the two large compartments at either side. We've got the main box here for putting like flux, soldering, anything like that. And then you've got your gas bottle holder, which that just fits in there nicely, and then you've got a flux brush holder at the front. The main part of the box itself is actually this clamp, which will fit 15mm and 22mm copper in. It goes into there, clamps it shut, and onto this heat resistant silicone. This protects the box, which is heat resistant plastic. It's not cheap plastic, but it's not 100%. This is really good for when you're soldering on site. You're not burning customers' carpets. When you're in the back of the van, you're not trying to balance it on a bit of timber or anything like that. So yeah, this clamp is 10 out of 10 for that. Things I would adapt and change at the box is that there's no reason why, well, to my knowledge, why you couldn't have another flux brush holder there, maybe some pen holders, some pencil holders, because we always need something to mark out pipe, so that'd be good to have there. And this back side, I think having two large storage areas like this is a bit too much. Like the front would probably just be enough. So I think at the back you could put maybe a lid in there with some compartments to store some copper fittings. That would really be helpful. So then you're not having to carry two boxes into site, you can just carry one in there. Other than that, really highly recommend it. Great bit of kit, and I will definitely be using this going forward.